Hey guys, it's your girl Sonia checking in with Frontier Recovery. Got a bridge here in Leo Grabill area somewhere. Doing some magnet fishing like we do. Got my buddy Randy here. You guys remember Randy? Hey, he's waving for the camera. All right. Well, let's see what we get. We're glad to show you. All right, still at the same bridge. Randy's got a little something here. I think. Oh, that looks like a big pipe. Oh. Oh, what is, that sounded weird.
Crusty.
Ew, that's a crusty critter. Hey Randy, hate to tell you, but my pipe was bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on guys, what do you guys think? Let me go show you mine real quick. I gotta walk over here. Aha! See, there we go. So, woohoo! See, there's mine, guys. Look at that. See? Goes all the way back to the back of the truck back there. Yeah, I'd say mine's bigger. Whoop, whoop. Sonya back again, guys. Just got whatever this majigger is. All I know is it was heavy. Another score. Well, Sonya's back again, guys. Still at the same bridge. And I've just gotten what appears to be the world's largest bolt. OMG. Whew. As you hear the heaviness of it, look at this thing. Ugh. But they're a bit almost the size of my shoe. This thing is huge. All right, guys, back at it again. Magnet fishing. New bridge. New environment. Too many cars. I like the other bridge better. It was one lane. Nice, peaceful, quiet. Kept hearing a rooster all morning. It was kind of nice. All right, we'll show you what we get. All right, still at second bridge for the day. Not much. Got some junk. Some junk. Looks like that's a wheel right there to something right there. And then just some junk. Back again, literally not even the next throw after that one I just showed you. I got this big old plate here. And a big old bolt. But not as big as that bolt at that last bridge. Alright, it's your girl Sonya back here with Frontier Recovery. Same bridge, other side. We have just stumbled across a car door. So, we're going to make the attempt of getting that thing up here. We'll let you know how that goes. You ready, Randy?
Ready.
All right, guys, we're back. Still messing with this door down there. We got it on dry land, as you see. Oh, Randy worked his way down there. And we flipped all the muck out of there and crud out of there. Make it a little lighter. And then we're going to pull this punk up. Right, Randy?
Right.
Don't fall. All right, guys, back. And mission accomplished. We got the door out of the river. Anybody missing a car door? Come hit us up. Frontier Recovery. All right, back. Still the same bridge, guys. We're done for this bridge for now. Score on the car door. Other than that, signpost for days, always. Signpost Sonya here. But I did get a drill bit, which I thought was kind of cool. It's actually still in decent shape, you know? And how's it? Corridor though.